Hi, my name is Evan Jossler Pardalos, and today I'm going to teach you how to microwave Basmati white rice for dinner. First, see most people, I'd like to use this microwavable cooker because it's less time consuming and it's a lot more handy to use. First, you take a measuring cup and then you add some rice to it. About a cup of rice should be sufficient. Looks like it could use a little more. It's close enough. Next, we're gonna add 1.25 cups of cool water. Next, we put the lid on the microwave like so. But we gotta do it as carefully as possible. And once that's done, we put it in the microwave. There are any available measures for rice specifically, and seems in this case there aren't. But I would go about 15, maybe 10 minutes at the least. Okay, now we do need to find something safe because wow, this is hot. But it smells delicious. That is delicious and palatable. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.